The 2009 Nissan Cube. The Nissan Cube is a versatile and spacious little wagon. It has a smooth ride, ample passenger space, easy to park, and generous standard features list. Nissan Cube, the shape of things to come. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, floor mats, trunk mat, front wheel drive, power windows, CD player, power door locks, MP3 player, bucket seats, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.